When you start studying geometry, the first thing you might learn about is a point. And it has a name, could be A, any of the letters of the alphabet. And a point cannot be measured. It has no length, no width, although we have to draw it on a piece of paper with a width and a length. But in geometry, it has no length, no width. It can't be measured. The only thing it's going to do is show you location or position on the plane. So let's say this is the plane of your computer screen, what you're watching. And all it's going to do is tell you the location of where the point is. Let's take a look at what a ray is. So a ray, if it has just the endpoint, we're going to call the endpoint, the end of the ray, where it begins or ends, if you want to look at it that way. It goes on forever in one direction. So it could be going in the direction straight up and down. It can be going horizontal. It could be going diagonal like that, this way. So it needs another point to tell the ray this is the direction we're going in. So here we're going to put point B. And B, wherever that location is, it's going to tell the ray start at A, and wherever B is, connect it there and keep going. Now a ray has no length. We can't measure it even though we know where it starts here. It goes on and on forever in this direction. Sometimes in a textbook you'll see it with an arrow here. That's because in a textbook it has to show you that it's infinitely long. It goes on and on forever in this direction, let's say. Now we could have two rays like this, starting here and coming out like that. So we would call this ray AC, and this would be called ray AB to tell the difference between the two. And they can go in different directions, even though they don't have the same, they do have the same endpoint, but a different point on that ray, so they can go in different directions. And we need a way to tell the difference. We always start with the endpoint when we name the ray. So we would start with A, B. If we said ray B, A, that would mean that B is the endpoint, or where the ray starts. In this case, that's not true. It starts at A. And here, this is ray AC, not ray CA. That would mean that C is the endpoint of the ray. And we can have many, many rays coming out of endpoint A, and they would all be named differently. So here's ray AB and ray AC.